Ah, all right, guys. Still up. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm start this one at this bar here, and I'm going to give you right from the pool to the beach. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour. You know. All right. So this is where you can get your towel and stuff when you're at the bar. Yes, man. What's up? Yes, so going by the pool side now, you know. Yeah. No, we're going by the beach now. All right. Yeah, so today is a nice sunny day, you know, at the Bahia Principal in Runaway Bay, Jamaica, you know. Yeah. So okay, so this is the beach area. So you can come and play tennis here. Yeah. Oh, the beach is not too full today. So I guess you can come here and rent your boat and all of this stuff, you know, and go kayaking and one of those stuff there. Yes, sir. What's up? Yeah. All right. Uh-huh. Yes, so beach is nice. Yes. It's a nice beach. Struggling to walk through the sun, you know? Yeah. Okay. Oh, they have a next side around here too, so I want to go around there too, but I'm going up this side here. So this is a area where I think they keep wedding up this side here, you know. Yeah, look at. Yeah. Hello. Hi, what's up? So this is the area we can. They keep the wedding here. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty nice here. Nice view from here. Yeah. Okay, guys. Look at life. Look at life. Just you can just come right by the beachside here, and what? Look at this. You can just go by right by the rock here and sit down and take in the cool breeze from the sea coming in. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So guys, you must come on down and come get some fresh air over here. Look at the clear water there. Wow. Look at that. All right. For this beach tour, you know. What's up, my brother? You good?
I'm a friend, man.
Yes, man. One love, man. One love, man.
1 year mail there, you know?
Yes, my
right,
brother. DMAC 4K World Tour.
Alright.
Yes, man. Alright. Alright, guys. So Once you're at the beach side here, you have a bar right here where you can come and get your water, your beer, your and you can on all your juice. Alright, so right there. And you have some chair right around the beach here. Yep. What's up?
Good.
Good, good?
Where?
Yeah. Alright, that's it for this one. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I see you in the other one. Bye bye for now.